Yo, what's going on, Still Nights? It's Dom here. Check it out. From yesterday's video, you guys seen that I created the arms for the machine. That's how they look. Very stable. I can't complain. Same thing with this one here. And now behind me is the gantry for the Z. For the X, Y, and Z actually, because the Y rides on it, or I should say the X rides on the Y. So that. All right, so here we go. Back half got welded out, as you can see. Some beautiful welds, even over there. Some beautiful welds over there. Anyways, this needs to be welded out here on this side now. This side's already welded. And then the rest of it will be welded. Then the front of this will be welded. In between, we'll get short little welds. Flat bar, linear rails. All right, so next up is to add this flat bar to both sides. All right, so I got the flat bar tacked in. Now we're gonna weld it out. All right, everything's welded out. Now trying to put on the linear rails and bore some holes. All right, there we have it. There's two linear rails. Now we gotta punch the holes in. All right, so the linear rails are on. You see the gap in between. That's how much spacing I had, 0.1 millimeters. Hit that like, subscribe, and follow for more.